Today I want to show you some tricks that I learned over the years that saved me a lot of time in Davinci Resolve. And also this video is more beginner oriented, so if you're pretty new in Davinci Resolve, this video is perfect for you. So let's start with the first trick, and with this trick you can convert log footage to Rec 709 really quick. In this case we have Apple log footage and I want to convert it to Rec 709, so I go to the product settings down here, go to color management and then go to color science and switch from Davinci YRGB to Davinci YRGB color manage. And now you press save, and now you have the converted Rec 709 footage. This saves you a lot of time, so you already have converted footage. Sometimes this doesn't work, sometimes it doesn't recognize the footage. And then you can go to the media tab, click on the footage you want to convert, right click on it, and then you can choose the import color space, and now it's automatically set to Apple log, so it's right. Also, if you want to work in a more professional color space, you can do that. Just uncheck automatic color management, and then you can choose HDR Davinci Wide Gamut Intermediate, for example, and you press save, and now you can work in Davinci Wide Gamut. But in this case I want to work in SDR, so it's Rec 709, so I just press save again, and then we can start color grading. And for the color grading process I also have a trick so you can color grade faster. For example, if you have a general look or a LUT or maybe even a plugin that you want to use for all the clips that have the same look. For example, in my case I like to use de-answer a lot, and if I want to use the same look on every clip I don't have to do it manually. I just go to color tab, and instead of working in a clip mode I just click on here and go to timeline, and now instead of affecting a single clip I affect the whole timeline. You can also use groups so that you don't affect text elements in the timeline, because in the timeline mode you affect everything in the timeline. So now if I want to do a color grade, for example, I want to use de-answer in this case. Also there's a 10% discount code in the description if you want to check it out. And now I want to use Kodak Vision 3 200T, and I want to use the Kodak 2383. Maybe I want to switch it to 250D, and I can work with the tonal contrast, color density. And now when we switch through the timeline you can see it's affecting everything, and it's way too strong, so I want to pull it back a bit. And I think this looks better. And now you can see we're affecting the whole timeline. You can do the same if you just want to color grade it manually. For example, if you want to make some hue adjustments, you can do that. So I want to pull up the yellows so they get more warm. Make a contrast curve, lift up the blacks, and pull down the highlights a bit. And now when we go through the timeline you can see we're affecting everything. So that saves you a lot of time because you don't have to put the look on every single clip manually. And also another trick that saves me a lot of time, or already saved me a lot of time, is creating presets or power grades. For that you go to gallery, and then you can see I already have some folders here that I save my looks in. So we create a power grade album, and then we just save this one and give it a name. And now you can access this preset on all the projects in Davinci Resolve. And very important, if you color grade it in timeline mode and you save this color grade in the power grade, you can only apply it in the timeline mode and not in the clip mode. So these were some of the tricks that I know. If you know more tricks you can write them down in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.